Is now a good time for buyers to buy in this current housing market? Is it a good time for sellers in this housing market? I want to kind of cover some of those things in this particular video to go over kind of the overall housing market we have right now in 2022. My name is Sean Aldridge, affectionately known as Coach Sean the Realtor, coming to help you get your home. So I'm going above and beyond to help you find your dream home. In any event, let me go down some information about this particular housing market. So one of the biggest factors we're looking at in the housing market right now are interest rates. They're the highest topic of conversation. Basically, so far, we've seen that the Fed have raised them once. If you compare from last year this time to this year this time, interest rates have obviously taken a nice little hike, and they're projected that they're going to be at least 6 more interest rates, with the next one being a half of point as opposed to the first one, which is a quarter of a point. So what does this mean for buyers? If you're a buyer and you're looking to buy a home, now is the time to actually jump into the market. I've done videos and you can check those out. And please like and subscribe if this helps the channel. But I've done videos to tell you about how actually buying a home is a hedge against inflation, because what happens when you buy a home, it actually your rate stays the same, and when you buy a home, your price doesn't go up, as opposed to looking at rents right now, which are going up higher. So listen, but here's the thing: as the higher the interest rates go up, the lower the buying power you are going to have as a buyer. So it's good for you to get in right now. Get in and get it to a lender. Get your pre-approval. Hear me. I want you to hear this too. Your first home may not be your dream home. This is not a sprint, but oftentimes just a marathon. So use the first home to build equity. And then when you get that equity into your home, you can use that to buy your next home, or even rent out your current home, so that there are people who are renting out from you pays for your next home. But don't always look at your first home being your dream home. Look at it as a bridge to get you over to the other side. If you are a buyer and you're under contract right now, you want to make sure you talk to your lender and find out if you've been priced out with the rate hikes going up. So you want to make sure you're still able to buy a home. So on the buyer side, that's the information you want to be able to. It's still going highest and best offer a lot of times, multiple offers. So you got to be competitive in this market. And if you sleep on it, you may not sleep in it. This is not that time when you can sleep on what you're going to make a decision on, because homes are going on the market and going off really fast. If you're a seller, what does it mean for the sellers? Well, there's still multiple offer situations, but as the interest rates go up, that could wane down a little bit more. And as opposed to having 15 offers on a home, you may have 3 or 4. We don't know. We don't have a magic ball to tell you everything about what's going to go on. But I do know this: the average home price last year appreciated about 17.7%. What does that mean? If we round that up to at least 20%, just to give a ballpark figure, if your home was worth $300,000 last year, it's worth $360,000 this year. If you DM me, I can give you more information about kind of what your home price is worth right now. But it speaks to you being able to buy. Some people didn't think that. You being able to sell, because some people didn't feel like they could sell last year. But now, with the equity that's going up, you can sell, which means there's going to be lower not as many foreclosures, because people have that equity in their home. If they need to just sell it to get out of it, they can sell it. Interest rates obviously are going up, which means you're going to have a lot of buyers who are going to back out. If your home is under contract and you are a seller right now, you want to find out and maybe talk to your real estate agent to call the lender of the buyer to make sure they're still priced in, because when interest rates go up, they could be priced out of it. So you want to have an experienced real estate agent that can help you. I want you, whether you're a buyer or a seller, to do your own due diligence and do your research, so that you can find out what this market is what's going on in this particular market. So research the Fed, research how interest rates are going up, research the average home and how long it's on the market, research how prices are increasing, research buyers, kind of what you need to do, and get those strategies. And I have different videos, if you check out my page, that gives you strategies that can help you in the process. Again, I hope this information is helping you. I hope it's helping you to make more informed decisions on your real estate needs. And as always, I thank you for watching this video, and God bless.